Well, hey there, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another tutorial. In this episode of How To, I'm gonna teach you how to play the original Doom the way it was meant to be played, the way they did back in the day on those old ancient computers. I'm gonna show you how they did, but on like a super duper like new like computer nowadays, you know. But first off, before I start teaching you how to install Doom, I gotta mention this little character that appeared in my comment section. This guy right here, this guy called Cocksuck69, and if you're watching this, if Cocksuck Cocksuck69 is watching this video currently, like leave me alone, dude. Okay, like you got like this weird bunny that's kinda making me really uncomfortable, and I think I saw something, yeah, like interest, like right here, like writing thick boys. You know, that's you know, I like it. If you like that, you like that, man. I don't just like leave me alone, man. Like seriously, like just just leave me alone. Don't comment, please. Um. So, anyways, sorry about that. Like, I had like a bad cough yesterday and stuff, and I took like some pills and stuff. But anyway, let's get into the tutorial. So, firstly, you need to acquire Doom first, right? So, believe it or not, you can actually get Doom for free. Now, usually you have to buy it. You have to like call them or something, or however it works. I don't know. I never bought Doom. So but there's a free version. There's like a free like demo version that you can basically just download and play. You just look up Doom 1 shareware and wait, what the fuck? What happened? Okay, no, what happened? Okay, see the first link you got here, doomworld.com shareware. This is where you get your game from. It's kind of taking a long time to load. Oh, there you go. Yeah, you got this cool little website, and you click over here, and it takes you to a different page. It's different own like neat little website, and you download it from here. I already downloaded it, so I'm not gonna download it, but this is where you get Doom. Now, to also do it, so we can play the way it was meant to be played, we also need a tool called DOSBox, and it's a neat little website here. You just download for like a Windows, if you're a Windows user, or Mac if you're like fancy or something. And or if you wear a hat, you can also get a Fedora version. I don't know how that works, but alright. Maybe there's like like a like a hat computer. That's probably like a thing nowadays, right? Like a portable like computer. That's pretty cool. Anyways, so now we have. So I installed everything. I'm not gonna teach you how to install everything. You're gonna have to figure it out yourself, right? This is advanced. This is a tutorial for advanced users, right? So you open DOSBox, and a black window pops up, and you have to what do you hold up, CD Doom mount CDC, or maybe I have to do it with two dots. Okay, okay. Fuck. What's my recording? Okay, I'm gonna be right back. Okay. So I figured it out. Okay. I know. Okay, I know how. Okay, I know how to do it now. Okay. So first of all, okay, you put your game in a folder, right? In like C and okay, and you call it DOS or something or whatever, and okay, so you type in mount and then C or whatever the alphabet letter you want. Unless you don't use that, then I don't know. I can't help you, man. I can help you. I can barely do this. Okay. So then you do C and then those two dots, and then like wanna like this on your. You're gonna have to find it, and then you type in DOS. Okay. And now you do click just press C. Okay. Press C with two dots, and then when you type that in, you can cd doom fucking what. Okay, so you type okay, hold up. Let's put that down. 19s. Okay, there you go. And then I think there was a hold up. I think there was a way to see stuff. Hold up, I'm gonna figure it out. It's gonna be in special keys probably. No, never mind. Okay, I'm gonna have to come back. Okay, I'm gonna have to. Okay, I figured it out. If I figured it out. Okay, it's this thing right here. Okay, so you did there. Okay. And then you can see all the folders when you type in dir. Okay, and then you do install, right? Because we're installing, and then yeah, you which drive do you install? Oh, okay. You have to type in your letter that you picked, your favorite letter, and yeah, enter. And oh god, what the fuck was that noise? Yeah, great. Okay. So oh damn, that was fast. Oh no, it's still doing stuff. Whew. Damn, computers must have been fast back then. It's inflating. That's okay. Well, I hope it's inflating like money wise, right? What's it doing? It's not doing anything. Is it broken? Was it inflating? What's it? Hello? What the fuck is happening? Is this file that big? Oh my god. Oh, okay, it's okay. See? Oh, the .exe. Okay, there you go. This is so the .exe. Durango. What the fuck? Modem. Oh, what the hell is this? Okay, I don't know what any of these are, so I'm just gonna pick the middle one. Select port address. I'm not gonna give it my home address. Fuck off. IRQ? No idea what that is. DMA channel. What's all these, like, there's like TV channels, there's like asking for like my phone number. What the fuck is this? Sound effects to mix. Well, I wanna have all of them. Okay, and oh, okay, right, okay. So yeah, so that's how you this is Doom, right? So this is how you play Doom. This is how you start it up. Yeah, so that's how you basically install and play Doom. You know, And now, thankfully, since I set this up, the next video I'm gonna do is gonna be a player review of the original Doom. We're gonna play it exactly how they played it in 1993. That's when. What was that, huh? Like, like, like a lot, like 100 years ago, like something like that, right? So it's gonna be an interesting experience. This is So this has been me, funny user guy. Let's hold up. If you haven't seen my channel, here it is. So yeah. So remember to rate, comment, and oh, no wait, there's no ratings anymore. There's the likes. Remember to thumbs up. Not don't thumbs up. If you do that, well, I can't really do anything about it, but it will make me feel bad a little bit. But make sure to thumbs up, and fuck you, cocksuck. Fuck you.